There is a special kind of frustration when it is freezing outside, you are already late, and your diesel engine just cranks and cranks but refuses to fire up. Or maybe it starts, but it sounds like a tractor falling down the stairs until it warms up. That is the classic sign of a glow plug issue. And if you're seeing code P037E, your computer is telling you exactly where to look. This code stands for glow plug sense circuit low. In a diesel, we do not have spark plugs. We rely on squeezing the air so tight it gets hot enough to explode the fuel. But when the engine is cold, the cylinder block steals all that heat. So we need glow plugs to act like little heaters to get the fire started. The ECM monitors these plugs closely. It expects to see a certain voltage returning from the circuit, telling it that the plugs are hot and ready. This code means the signal coming back is too weak or non-existent. It's like turning on a light switch and getting a dim flicker instead of a bright beam. While this might seem like just an annoyance, ignoring it can ruin your starter motor from excessive cranking and wash down your cylinders with unburned fuel. Pop the hood and follow your nose first. Seriously, smell for burning plastic. High current flows through these wires, and if there's a short, things melt. Check the heavy-duty fuses and the fusible links. Follow the thick harness that leads to the glow plugs. These often rub against the vibrating engine and short out. If the wiring looks good, grab your multimeter. You can test the glow plugs without even removing them in many cases. Disconnect the wire, put your positive probe on the battery, and touch the glow plug tip with the other probe. You should see battery voltage. If you do not, that glow plug is likely dead inside. It's a straightforward fix, but taking the time to test prevents you from snapping a glow plug off in the head, which is a nightmare you definitely want to avoid.